Best SMM panel for Instagram. First of all, let's navigate and open the web browser that you use for searching. Once the app opens up on the screen, use the search bar and type IG followers to find the website. Once you get the search results, find the website and open it. Once you are in, log into your account or tap on the three lines at the top right side and select the sign up option. Here you need to enter a username, email address and create a new password to sign up. Once your account is created, an order page will appear on the screen. First, you need to find an offer. Select anyone from this list. Next, you need to choose a category. I am going with Instagram. Next, find a service or offer. We have already selected one. Now read the description carefully and next you need to enter your Instagram account link. After that, select a quantity of followers, likes or comment and you can see the total charges based on the selected quantity. Once everything is done, tap on submit. It will ask you to recharge your account balance, so add payment information to complete the process. And that's it. This is one of the best SMM panel for Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.